Ever stared out an airplane window and missed this? There's a tiny, secret hole at the bottom of the window. And it's not a manufacturing defect, it's a genius safety feature. It's called a breather hole. Its first job is to balance the air pressure between the outer pane and the inner pane of the window, so the strong outer pane takes all the pressure. Its second job is to let moisture out, so the window doesn't fog up or freeze over during the flight. So next time you fly, you can spot this tiny, life-saving engineering marvel. Follow Quick Note to learn the secrets of everyday life.